Hi. So my avatar's lips today are just moving on her own. I don't know where the audio is coming from. I don't know why she's doing that, but we're just gonna see how this goes. I don't have any background music today. I'm trying to find some sites where it's copyright-free meditation music. So far the music I found isn't really appropriate or doesn't really vibe with me. So I'm not using the few songs that I found. So today we're going to do the Sitkari breath, which is our teeth are going to be together. We're going to inhale through the teeth and exhale through the nose. So this is a similar breath work that we did in the anger meditation and the addiction meditation. This is really a very cleansing breath, and it's very good for the glandular system, part of why we use it in the anger meditation and the addiction meditation, because both of those systems are impacted pretty heavily when we're feeling angry and with our addictions, right? Because the addiction creates stress. Obviously, anger creates stress as well. So today we are, um, yeah, you know what? Let's go ahead and tune in like normal. I was going to skip it, but I don't really want to do that with this breath work. So go ahead and rub your hands together. Close your eyes, bring your hands to heart center. Inhale deeply, exhale fully. And then we're going to tune in with the Adi mantra. Ooh. Ooh, excuse me. Sorry. Yeah, I got a new headset and the mute. Ooh, excuse me again. The mute button is not anywhere near as easily found on this headset, which I am not a fan of. But if the audio will keep working for me, we're just going to have to deal with me sneezing and coughing without me muting, which my other mic or my other headset allowed me to do. And I may have another sneeze coming in. Okay, maybe not. All right, so let's tune in with the Adi mantra. Om Namo Guru Dev Namo, repeated 3 times. Inhale to begin. Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. Inhale deeply and hold. And exhale. And then we're going to do that one more time. This time when you inhale, pull the root lock. So pull your anus and your sex organs in and up. Inhale and hold, pulling the root lock. And exhale. And then with the breath held out, pull the root lock again. With the breath held out. And inhale. Okay. So this is not a complicated pranayama. Mostly, like I said, it's brought in with cleansing kriyas or cleansing workouts or any glandular work that you do when you're putting kriyas together or any workout together. So for this one, because we're just doing the pranayama meditation portion, you can stand, you can sit in a chair, just like normal. Please feel free to sit in easy pose, partial lotus, full lotus, whichever feels the best for you. Hands can be in Gyan mudra with your thumb and pointer finger pressed together. Okay, and she's gonna go a little wild with her hands. Apparently only one hand can, there we go. We're getting closer. Okay, perfect progress. Happy with that. Um, you can have them on your knees. If you prefer to just have your hands resting in your lap, that's fine. I generally default to right hand held in the left hand. Feel free to reverse that if it feels better for you. And we're gonna do the normal 3 minutes. This one's a pretty easy one, I figured, with the holidays and just, there's a lot of stress happening, I feel like, around kind of everywhere. So I just thought this was a good one to do a cleanse, help our glandular system after everything, and just kind of reset ourselves. So let me set the 3 minute timer. Okay, perfect. So go ahead and put your hands in your lap or on your knees in Gyan mudra if that's what you're doing. Oh, and then eyes are closed. Focus at the third eye is generally my default. Feel free to have your eyes closed. Focus at your nose, focus at your chin or the moon center if that's what you prefer as well. That's fine. And then we're going to inhale through the teeth. Exhale through the nose. Inhale through the teeth. Exhale through the nose. Inhale through the teeth. Exhale through the nose. And you do want to keep your teeth together. Mine obviously are separating for me to keep speaking. So inhale through the mouth. Excuse me, the teeth. Exhale through the nose. Find your own rhythm. Find your own pace. Keep an eye on your posture. Make sure you're upright. Bring your chin back a little bit. Engage the neck lock. Bring your heart up, your chest up. Again, not out of alignment. You're not pushing anything out. You're just with good posture. It kind of lifts everything, right? My focus tends to be lift your heart up to remind me to have good posture. So that's why I always the heart and chest. Remember to keep your body relaxed. Obviously, you want your spine upright, but it shouldn't be tense. Perfect. Go ahead and inhale, hold the breath, pull the root lock. And exhale. Same thing, hold the breath out, pull the root lock. We'll do that 2 more times. Inhale, hold the breath, pull the root lock. Exhale, hold the breath out, pull the root lock. Perfect. Go ahead and inhale, hold the breath in, pull the root lock. Exhale, hold the breath out, pull the root lock. Perfect. Go ahead and inhale and just let yourself sit for a moment. And of course, check in with yourself. Notice anything in your body that's trying to get your attention, any tension, any points of pain, any points of uncomfort. And of course, notice what worked, what felt good, what really resonated with you. Maybe you just don't like pranayama meditations. That's okay too. Take that and know that that's one part of meditation that doesn't work for you. That's okay. And the same with the vast majority of the guided or visual meditations. They just don't resonate with me. I end up just making up this big old story in my head and it defeats the purpose of the meditation. So I tend to not do those. The mountain one, I think, is one of the few um, guided meditations that really worked for me. I did post I believe it was a compassion meditation. That one works with me. So there are a few that do resonate with me, but overall, I just don't do well with the guided or the visual meditation. So it's okay if there's a certain meditation that doesn't work for you. At least for now, you never know. In the future, it could change. Because when I was younger, I loved the visualizations and the guided meditations. Those were the only ones that could get me to meditate. Now it's like I can't do them to save my life. So things change over time. All right, go ahead and rub your hands together. We'll tune out with one long sat nam. Bring your hands to heart center. Inhale to begin. Sat nam. Sat nam. Yeah, I definitely like having the meditation background music, just at least with at the bare minimum to tune in and tune out with my singing. It kind of helps alleviate the tone deafness of it. So I hope you all had a wonderful day. I hope you found this meditation helpful, and I will see you soon.